Screenshots also before when you are starting. Let it be some screenshots.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Ajay also joined. Madam will join. Madam also joined. Good morning, madam. Madam, your voice is not audible. No. You are not audible, madam. Nirubha, madam, can you talk?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Madam, Aparna, madam, you are not audible.
Sir?
Madam, voice is not audible.
Madam, rejoin Khedi, sir. Rejoin.
Madam told she will rejoin it.
No.
Ajay? Ajay?
Yes, sir.
Your active participation should be required, sir. For all the events, you should be there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So you should guide to the students.
Yes, sir.
To coordinators also. Not audible, madam. Through mobile only, madam can join, no?
Yeah, she can join, sir. She can join through mobile.
Madam, through mobile only can join, madam, no problem. You click that link. Through mobile only can talk, no problem. Through mobile, madam will join.
Ma'am, I have shared the link in Rockers, ma'am. You can join through your mobile only.
No, I called and told.
Okay. No, I have shared the link also, sir, in Rockers.
Yeah. Link also we have sent it to madam. Through mobile only we have sent it. Maybe some audio problem it seems.
Sir, you can hear me?
Yes, madam.
Okay, sir. You can start?
Shall we start?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Very good morning. As you know, the BMSIT conducting Tech Transform 2020 December 18th and 19th. Under this, Department of MCA organizing TECHNIX 4.0. So under this, we are conducting 5 events. The 5 events are, one is Ideathon, Code Action, Sevagon Hunt, Ideotech, Best Manager. So for this program, I would like to welcome first our HOD, my dear faculty members, my dear coordinators, and my dear students and participants. So the events will start. First one is Manjunath will be telling the rules and regulations, then we'll start. Before that, I would like to HOD to say the few words for the organization, for the event. Madam, you can please.
Yes, sir. Yes. Good morning to all of you here. I extend a warm welcome to all the participants and my own colleagues for this fourth session of our department fest, which is called as TECHNIX 4.0. Okay, and I think this time we have lined up. It's going to be a different sort of event because we are conducting the whole thing online. It's a really different thing for us to organize and for you all also to participate and win some prizes. Okay, so we have lined up around 5 events, I think, for under this TECHNIX 4.0, and we have some exciting cash prizes as well. And registration is free, so I think we have a couple of registrations now increasing. I would like to see more count on this registrations going up as we proceed towards the different events. And I wish all the best for all the participants, and there should be some healthy competition among you all to grab the prizes. That's what I'm expecting from each one of you students. I'm sure you have the potential to really what to say fare well in each of these events. This is a platform for you all to bring out your potential, bring out your extracurricular or rather I would say the technical knowledge that you have, put in all that so that you can do each of these events very well. And I would like to thank my coordinators and student coordinators especially, who have really put in their effort to organize this and bring it to this shape, otherwise which it would not have at least come to this level also. Thank you so much, and welcome all of you to this TECHNIX 4.0. I don't want to take much of your time. I think we can quickly start off with the events. As I heard from my coordinator, I think the first event is Ideathon. Is it right? I guess so. And so quickly, I think we can move on to the event. Let's see how it goes on. All the best. Do well. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. So Manjunath will say regarding the event rules and regulations, then he will start. So madam, I'll welcome you, Nirupama madam, for this event. Madam is the coordinator.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome you, madam. Manjunath, you can say the rules and regulations, then you can
Yes,
start.
Yes, sir.
So hello everyone, welcome to the event Ideathon. So this event is all about presenting your best idea or the project. So we'll be starting with the event, the presentation round, in which we'll have to present your idea or the project in the form of PPT. You will be given a time of 20 minutes so that you can prepare your PPTs. And after that, Nirupama ma'am will be judging, and each one of you will be given 5 minutes of time so that you can present your PPT. And if any doubts is there, Nirupama ma'am will be asking throughout. So I'll be giving them time of 20 minutes so that they can prepare the PPT, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, you call and one by one and tell it.
How many registrations are there, Manjunath, for this particular event?
Ma'am, as of now, 7 members are there, ma'am.
Good, good. Okay. So you will be giving a topic to them now, or how is the topics given to them? Or they should, no topic is given, they should present the idea. What's the...
Yeah, ma'am. The topic, I didn't choose anything. No topic, ma'am. They can choose any platform in which they can present their ideas, ma'am.
Okay.
They have.
Yeah. So how do you go about it? You have to... We start with giving them 20 minutes time, or how is it like?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Because there are very less number of participants, so we thought we'll directly start the presentation, ma'am. So
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. 20 minutes time from now, so that later After 10:50, we can start the presentation individually, ma'am.
Okay, but you can just check with the participants since it is their own topic. If they're already ready, if anybody is ready, we can start off so that the others will be getting anyway time.
Yeah, ma'am. I will be asking. Yeah, is anyone ready with the PPT or the project so that they can start? I don't think
Yeah,
so.
actually, madam, they told yesterday we'll give topic. For that, they have to prepare the PPT. Now, Manjunath has changed it. Okay, no problem. So
No,
let
but
them.
Sir,
Manjunath, are the participants aware of this now? That's what I want to know.
yes, ma'am. I'm continuously texting even in a group, ma'am. I have created so that before also I texted.
Okay, if anyone is ready, students, if anyone are ready for this ideathon to start off, we can start with your presentation. Anybody? Or we can start with at 10:50. Can I have some response, please?
Ma'am,
Students?
it's Murali Krishna.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'll present.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Others, be ready. Okay. So by
Others
the
be
time
ready.
Murali Krishna finishes, I think the next candidate participant can be ready. Go ahead. I think Manjunath, we can start with Murali Krishna.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. Yeah.
Ma'am, it's visible, my screen.
Yeah. Yes, it's visible.
It's clear, no, sir, my screen?
Yes, yes,
Murli,
yes.
for me it is not
Sir,
visible. Can
my
you
topic is
share once again?
It's visible, Nirupama.
It's
Now,
visible.
thanks, Ella.
You rejoin.
Okay.
Or maybe some network issues there you check because it is visible from his end.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Murli, you can start now.
ma'am,
Yeah, one second.
yeah,
Let
picture
me
can't
not
see
resign.
electric
Wait a minute.
Wait 1 minute.
Judge has to join. No.
Madam has to join.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. Wait.
Now it's visible, madam.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible. Yes.
Right, Murali Krishna, it's visible. You can start. So,
Start.
Manjunath, are you giving any timing limits?
Yeah, sir. 5 minutes, sir.
Time limit.
Sir,
Maximum?
and before you all start off, I just making some general instructions.
Yeah.
I want the number of participants of every event which was held and the results, who has won which first prize and second prize, along with some screenshots of that event. Okay, this you have to make sure it is done, and from what time to what time that particular event was held. Please make sure that this is ready at the end of every event. Please record all the events, okay? Because I may have to join another meeting, so I may not be continuously in this. That's why.
Okay, madam.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
madam.
The
No
record is
problem.
continuously
Yeah,
going
yeah.
on.
Whenever you
Yes,
are free, you can join, madam.
yeah. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Right. Manjunath, shall we start now?
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah, your time starts now, Murali Krishna.
Yes, sir. Sir, my plan is creating an app about that charging station, sir, because in future everything is electric. Even in Bangalore also 10 to 12 startup companies have started for electric vehicles, creating an electric vehicle. So electric charging stations are very much required because they require time to charge, like minimum 30 to 1 hour, 2 hours, like more than 5 hours also they required for some cars to charge. So my plan is so from the today's situation we are using diesel and petrol cars, no sir. We can fill up the tanks in only 2 to 3 hours. Like petrol and diesel, they don't take time to just be put in and go on. But electric vehicles are not like that. They'll take so much time to charge. So it's very important that we need now to shift to electric vehicles because so much of pollution because of this petrol and diesel cars. Setting up of electric charging stations, the main places we have to select some places for setting up electric, like hotels where we stay more than half an hour, like that. So in hotels we may have food, it takes time. In near hotels we have to set up the electric vehicle, like parks. We spend time in parks and some parking stations. We just park and go on somewhere and return after 1 hour, like that. So in tourist places also we required electric charging stations, and in some parking stations. Okay, I told. Okay, it's enough. And this app, what I'm telling is this app will show the nearest charging station. Not only it shows the nearest charging station, we can also book some time, at what time we need to recharge my car. Like I will go from here to a shopping mall at 10 o'clock. So I need a charging station. I need a that fast charger, DC fast charger. At what time? That is 10:30 I required. We can book from 10:30 to 11 o'clock. Half an hour I required to recharge my vehicle. We can book that. We can also pay through online only, so that exactly it if the charging station contains of 10 chargers, then it will automatically show you have booked the eighth charger. You need to place your car at eighth charging station near that mall. So it only it will just like time slots. um, Minimum time we required is like 20 minutes is the minimum time to book. That is, we cannot book like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It don't make sense, like just 1 or 2 minutes. So minimum time to book is 20 minutes, and maximum we can go for 3 hours of this. So if we see, if we use the main advantages of this means the time, sir. If we go for if we go for any charging station, then everything there, all cars are there. Then they have to wait for hours together. It's not like petrol and diesel filling and going, filling and going. Charging stations require more time. Then the main advantage is saving time. Wherever the charging station is there, you can book before only go, and just at correct time we'll go there, we'll charge up, we'll spend some time near that malls or theater or park or somewhere, and at, at that time we get back there, our car is charged, and then we can move on. That's my presentation, sir.
Okay, Murali
Hello, sir.
Krishna, good.
Nirupama, many questions for him.
Sir.
Can you show any? Okay. Okay, fine.
You can talk,
Hello,
madam.
ma'am.
You can ask the questions, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, doubts ಇದ್ರೆ
one ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಕೇಳಿ.
Murali Krishna, how much time it will take for one car?
Sir, it depends on its charging technology, sir. Some DC chargers, it can charge within 30 minutes 80%. Like our new Bangalore startup, that is Pregna something, that car name I don't remember. It charges 80% only in just 30 minutes, sir. Some
Okay.
other cars like Mahindra and all, they take 2 to 3 hours, sir,
Okay.
for charging.
So when we are
It depends
traveling
on time.
long
We can,
distances on the roadside, if the bunks are available, we have
sir.
to stay 1 or 2 hours in between.
Sir, mass, yes, sir. So, like petrol bunks and all, 1 or 2 it's enough, sir. But charging stations per, I think per city, it should contain more than 1,000, sir.
Okay.
More mass number of should be more number of charging stations, sir.
Required.
We can book, no, sir. Then if more number of charging stations are there, we can easily book them. At what time, at what place we need, we can where we are going, no, sir. At that place only we can book, and that time only we can charge.
Okay.
No questions. Good, Murali. Good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else is ready? Anybody else ready? Put the message in your IT Fest group, Manjunath.
Yes, sir, I am doing it.
Murali Krishna,
Sir.
can you share once that screen? Just will take one photo.
Sir. Sir.
Sir, I have taken it.
You have taken,
Yes, sir, I have taken.
Okay, Baba.
Okay.
Guria is ready? How many participants are there, Arjun, in this?
Yes, anybody is ready?
9 members are there in this. Arjun also is participating, huh?
No, sir.
Then your Arjun UK is there.
Yeah, sir. I'll like leave.
He has just logged in.
No. In the registration form.
Registration. Maybe he has tried once.
Okay.
Yes.
Bhargavi?
Sir, it is idiotic, sir. It is not ideathon.
Okay. So in this, how many are there? Then idiotic code is nothing but Umehani,
7 are there.
Vidya Rani, Vishal. 1, 2, 3.
Manjunath, I think we have given you enough time, no? At 10 o'clock or before 10 o'clock only you messaged in the group, no?
Yeah.
And still many are not ready.
Ma'am, this is Srinivas.
You'll present to
Have
Srinivas?
any idea towards presentation? Anyhow, I have prepared 2 slides. I don't have an office offline. I have online office. Can I present, ma'am?
Yeah, you can present Srinivas. You can.
Ma'am, hope the screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, Srini.
Yes.
Yes.
Our topic. It's a simple one, but effective and most required one. Like there are many problems that modern farmers are facing, like, not getting enough crops for the cultivation due to many reasons. But intervention of animals and rodents was most important and the most big reason for that. So mm, we are like trying to solve this problem using minimal human intervention. Like we can't be in the farm for 24 hours, right? So using the minimal techniques, we are trying to solve this problem using a grid eye sensor and ultrasonic sound producer. So a grid eye sensor will detect an heat range, like if anything comes under infrared region, right? It will detect and it will send. And using image processing and another techniques, we can exactly reproduce an image like what is coming, what is intervening or form. So using that we can produce a frequency of high pitch sounds like more than 90 kilohertz depending on which animal is intervening, so that we can make it go away. So this is our project, but we have more ideas. Like we didn't have much time for preparing slides. I guess this is it.
So, ma'am, any doubts for him?
Okay. This camera you connected.
Sir?
No, okay, sir. Manjunath,
Yeah, ma'am.
ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಟಲ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ. Easy
Yeah,
left the
ma'am.
video.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Shini, present it. It will
Yes,
be better.
sure, ma'am. Is the screen visible, Manju?
Yeah, Shini.
Yes, it's visible.
Sorry, ma'am, we couldn't have much time for preparing PPT. I don't have an office offline since that's why.
No problem.
Srinivas, I did not understand your idea. Can you please repeat once again?
Yes, ma'am. As you see, most of the crops were affected due to intervening of rodents and animals. We are not getting enough crops in a single cultivation, right? Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, Shini, you are audible.
Yes. To reduce this problem, we cannot go and sit on a farm for 24 hours. So we are planning on making a project uh, which helps to like get rid of animals using minimal human intervention using a grid high sensor. It's a sensor which detects infrared radiations like heat radiations. So when we place this around our farm, it will detect and create an image of it using a heat waves, so that using that image can identify which animal or rodent is like intervening or form, and we can as you know, rodents and animals are crazy for some sounds more than 20 kilohertz, like ultrasonic sounds. We can reproduce that sounds so that it can get rid of those rodents and animals using that noise. Since humans can't hear more than 20 kilohertz sound, we are producing around 90 kilohertz of sound. So it won't be affecting human life as well.
It is a device which you want to place at in the form.
Not a device, ma'am. It's a collection of devices and algorithms and all. Like we place 4 sensors around a form, which will gather the data 24 hours. Heat data. It will reproduce the image like this. Like if something comes with a heat in it, it will reproduce an image. Using that image, we can identify which animal is intervening the form. Every animal is having tendency for some sounds.
Okay, but from this you'll identify which animal has come. Then how you will react? How
Yes.
this device will react?
Yes, for that, every animal have some tendency for sounds. For example, rats, they can't hear they can't withstand 90 kilohertz of sound. If we detect it is a rat, using a ultrasonic generator, we can generate 90 kilohertz of 90 kilohertz frequency sound, which will get rid of rats.
Okay, Srinivas. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Anyone else is ready with the presentation?
Sir, mute ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
Madam? Right.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? Who is ready next?
I think Gudia is ready. She has messaged.
Okay, okay.
Gudia?
Gudia,
2 minutes.
Gudia, we have given enough time. Next. ಇನ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಂಜುನಾ?
Ma'am, Surya Prakash is there.
ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Ma'am, fifth sem. ಅದೇ ಇದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Srinivas.
We both are team.
ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ.
So is anyone else ready with the presentation?
ಬಾ ನೋಡರ್.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Guru, you ready? Srinivas, you can call somebody who is ready.
Sir, only Surya Prakash and Gudia are there, sir. All others have left the meeting.
If anybody is ready, those who are ready, they can present their screen.
Gudia, is it ready now?
Gudia, you asked 2 minutes. It's almost 5 minutes. Can you share your screen, Gudia?
Yeah, ma'am. Surya brother, if you don't have a PPT, like you can show video, right? And you can explain.
Can I present an alternate PPT which is done by someone else?
You should
Go
prepare.
ahead.
Yeah, I had prepared it, but power outage, my PC.
Okay, no problem. Carry on.
Yeah, you can present, but we want to know your idea because it's an
Yeah,
idea.
yeah,
Okay, you can present, Surya.
yeah. Okay. We just saw someone present a PPT regarding an EV, right? Electric vehicle.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I want to know why you choose EV. Is it because of emission? Whole I need an yes or no answer. Is electricity coming from like from our nature itself, or are we burning coal for that?
You're asking something or you're presenting? We are not understanding, Surya.
Okay, I'm asking, and okay, let me present my screen now.
Brother, if you have any PPT, you can present.
Yeah, just
Don't ask any questions, Surya Prakash here. Just you present you whatever you want to say.
yeah. Hope you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is good.
I'm talking about hydrogen fuel cells. So basically, what this is, it is a fuel. Hydrogen is basically a fuel which will be powering our vehicles to, transport us to stations. Basically, what we are, right now we are using is fossil fuels such as petrol and diesel, right? Right now, the trend is to use electricity and do EV vehicles. And we do have some drawbacks in that. The first one is, you know, it takes time to recharge, right? So what I have is hydrogen fuel cells. What it is a simple concept. We just have to go to a fuel station and fill up hydrogen fuels into our vehicles. That goes into a tank. Uh, what it does is, if you can see this diagram, this part, it does show that airflow passage and end part plate leads, right?
1 second, Surya Prakash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Where he will come.
Hello, Madam Nirupam, Madam.
Yes, sir.
You carry on, Madam. I'll come and join because we have to coordinators and HOD should attend the inauguration function itself. Sir.
Fine, sir. Fine. I'll.
Okay, Madam. Thank you. Manika, I'll join later. You go ahead. Huh? Take some screenshots. Huh?
Yeah, sir, taking, sir.
Okay. The title also you write it somewhere down.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
What they are presenting, no title and that also write it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, my
The
PPT.
similarity between a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle and an electric vehicle is almost the same. That is, it has an electric motor and a battery backup. But when it comes to hydrogen fuel cells, we have this part as well as a hydrogen fuel cell tank. What it does is it sends the hydrogen fuels through these plates, and the oxygen from the air is taken to produce anode and cathode. What it does is put out electricity just from the hydrogen fuel and the air that is outside. So both these combined create electricity as well as water as a waste. So water is not harmful to the nature, but what we need is electricity. These electricities are then sent to the batteries so that it gets recharged, and then it is sent to motor so that we travel through it. The main advantage of this is uh, having a higher range of the vehicle. Let's say our electric vehicle goes. Right now, we have few vehicles like MG's variant and Tata's Nexon EV that ranges around 240 kilometers to 300. If we use this technology in that vehicle, the vehicle could surpass almost more than 500 kilometers. There is a given proof that there are vehicles that is being as a concept showing that it can travel till in 800 to 900 kilometers in a single full tank of hydrogen, that too an electric. I'm actually talking about a truck that can travel for 800 to 900 kilometers with a load of almost 5,000 tons. Some of these examples are like using in a day-to-day public transportations or any boards or any devices that use electricity. Nowadays, when our power goes off, we usually see generators in most of the shops, right? We could replace those generators with hydrogen fuel cells, you know, machines that could generate electricity using these hydrogens, which will not cause any harm to the environment, and will be cost effective. The main problem with these hydrogen fuel cells are there are no such stations set up right now, and the cost of hydrogen fuel cells as of 2009, it was very expensive and the cost of production was way too high. But when it comes to production, Toyota has taken few steps to manufacture hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, and we do see that the production cost has gone down since 2009. Yeah, that's it. Any questions?
Yes, Surya. Is it safe to store hydrogen?
Yeah, ma'am. It's not inflammable.
Not?
It's not inflammable. It won't catch fire. What we are using is the air and the hydrogen to create electricity and water as a waste. So
And
it
how
is not
much
inflammable.
percentage of oxygen will it get in air?
No, ma'am. It will pass through those. If you can see this diagram, it passes through this place, and the oxygen gets in a natural way. The oxygen isn't stored in anywhere because we know that oxygen is inflammable. Any other question?
No questions. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Gudia, is the presentation ready? So that you can.
Yes.
Okay, let's start present. She'll be starting now.
Yeah, let her start.
Yeah.
It is visible?
Yeah, the screen is visible.
Yeah, so my topic is wasting of food. Like I give title Hunger Battle House. Totally, it is depend on food waste or food loss. Is food that is not eaten. The cause of food waste or loss are numerous and just thought of the food system. during production, processing, distribution, retail, and consumption. Global food is loss and waste amount to between one-third and one-half of all food produced. In low-income countries, most food occur during production, while in developed countries, much food, about 100 kilograms per person per year, is wasted at the consumption stage. Food waste is a major part of the impact of agriculture on climate change and other environmental issues. The Food and Agriculture Organization estimated in like 2040 that food waste loss causes a global economics, environmental, and social costs of 2.6 trillion a year and is responsible for 8% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, food waste that is not handled or reclaimed properly, that is through composting, can have many negative environmental consequences. For example, landfill gas, anaerobic digestion of organic matter is a major source of the greenhouse gas methane, and unreclaimed phosphorus in food waste leads to further phosphate mining. Moreover, reducing food waste in all parts of the food system is an important part of reducing the environmental impact of agriculture. By reducing the total amount of water, land, and other resources needed to feed the global community, so we are creating a food distribution system.
How you Udia, is it a mobile app? Is it a mobile app you're developing, or it is a website you're developing? What it is? What is your project is all about? Food distribution?
Web. Hello?
Yeah. I'm hearing you answer. You answer to my question.
What question, ma'am?
I asked this food distribution. No, your project is food. Your idea is food distribution. So
Yeah.
food distribution, you are developing any app?
Yes, ma'am.
What app you are developing? How you are developing an app?
Like all restaurants collecting foods, wasted foods. Collect extra food from restaurants.
In the app, how you will feed all this information? How you will execute this?
Collecting from restaurants, ma'am.
You'll collect from restaurant, and for that, why you need app? Anyway, you'll go to a restaurant and you'll collect and you'll distribute to the hungers. Then why you need app?
A restaurant gives some information like it have food or not, like which type of food, menu, something it have.
Okay, what is there in the second slide? Show me the second slide.
This is annual global food waste. Like 20% of meat and dairy waste, 20% of all seeds, 30% of cereals, 35% of cheese.
How you got this data? Did you do the survey? How you got this data?
Survey, ma'am.
You did the survey? You did the survey? From where you collected this data, I'm asking.
Google, ma'am.
So you did not do any survey?
survey, ma'am, in Google, such a thing I read.
I'm asking, did you do any survey? I'm asking. You just took a
No,
photo
ma'am.
and you pasted here. Correct, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Who is ready next? Gudia, you can stop presenting. Stop presenting, Gudia. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, I think that's it. All others left the meeting actually. They're not responding.
Then only 4 teams.
Yeah, ma'am.
Only 4 teams. What about the remaining teams? How many registered, Manjunath?
7 of them are registered, but
But
now,
only 4 teams have presented.
yeah, ma'am.
Then we'll wait, or what we'll do? They'll come. They'll join.
I'm trying to message them, but no response.
Manjunath, just another 2 minutes. We'll wait, and then we can conclude the session.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Manjunath, shall we stop? Because we are not getting any response.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Right.
students. Yes, Manjunath, you are telling something.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We can.
Yes, students, I congratulate all the participants, those who are present in this Ideathon event. All the ideas were good. So I appreciate your participation. So all the best for the results, students. So we'll see whether the result will announce today or tomorrow. Still, we don't know. So wait for the results. Okay. Thank you, students.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Manju. Manju.
Manju left.